Take a ride in the 2017 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.